Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make these beautiful earrings. This is Vana's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this sample I used a lace yarn and a hook with the size of 0.85 millimeter. And for the tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5 millimeter hook. I'm starting with single crochet stitches all around the hoop. Except these parts that I'm leaving be. And for the next row I'm making 3 chains, and in each stitch I'm making 3 double crochet stitches. And when we are done, for the next row, once again I'm making 3 chains. And in each stitch I'm making 3 double crochet stitches. And that is it. In just a few minutes we're gonna have these cute earrings. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. And I'm wishing you a great day.